past few weeks, we have been continuously following the farmers' protests, especially in the states of Haryana and Punjab. In this context, the various political parties, especially the TMC, Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, have started to take advantage of this situation and trying to play their own political games. In this context, it is extremely important to mention that an independent study was conducted by Hindustan Times in the year 2018-19, and it was found that the earnings or the income of the farmers per month is only as low as rupees 10,000 for the financial year 2018-19. Now, we need to go back to the memory lane and understand how the protests began. So, it was back in September 2020 when the Indian Parliament passed these three important farm bills in the Indian Parliament, and soon protests erupted in the states of Punjab, Haryana as well as in western Uttar Pradesh. Now we will be discussing the 5 main demands of the farmers due to which they are protesting in various parts of Delhi, Punjab and Haryana for the past 1 month. Demand 1. Repealment of all the 3 farm laws that have been passed by the Indian government in the month of September 2020 in the Indian Parliament. Demand 2. A written MSP assurance. The government has been asked to provide a written minimum support price assurance by the various farmers' union to the Government of India. Farmers have asked for the removal of the Punjab Electricity Amendment Bill because due to this bill, the farmers may not be able to get subsidies while using electricity in future. Demand 4. Repealment of the laws relating to stubborn burning that provides a punishment of 3 years of imprisonment or fine up to rupees 1 crore. And finally, demand 5. All the farmers who have been jailed for the offence of stubborn burning should be released with immediate effect.